Welcome to the historic town of Tarboro, North Carolina. I'm coming from Princeville, North Carolina, crossing over the Tar River Bridge. Here is where they put in a traffic circle, a roundabout. This is not original to the town. This was added a few years ago. I guess it's okay. I'm not a big fan of roundabouts. I grew up in this little town. To the right, they're working on this building. They gutted it out. My grandmother worked there for years as a shoe department. Sugar's department store. Sold shoes. This old house to the right, it's like the Addams family house. I don't know if you saw that when we come up. We're just passing it now. You know, a lot changes in these old towns when you grow up. Old barber shop over here to the right. I mean left. Rode bicycles up here. Getting haircuts. I grew up way on the other side of Princeville on the bridge we crossed. And up here to the right, just under this American flag, is the Colonial Theater. I think I was 11 years old. My brother was 16, went to work there, and I got in for free. I think it was about 1981, somewhere around there. I watched Jaws for the first time, and sat there by myself. Gave me a drink and a popcorn. Yeah, I had a yellow and blue raft like that little Kidner kid. I didn't swim on in the ocean no more. Post office to the right. Coming up to the town commons. This green area to the left and right. I believe this is one of the last town commons on the East Coast. I think the only other one is a great big 15-acre one in Boston. This is historic houses. These are very beautiful. I've always thought they were very beautiful houses. The library up to the right-hand side. This school here on the left, man, it looks nothing like it used to years ago. That stadium, football stadium there. Used to have pep rallies in there all the time. high school back in the 50s or whatever. Then they built a new high school, and that became a middle school, Martin Middle School. That's where I went to school at, Martin Middle. Rode bicycles from way out, way out, other side of Princeville. This is all historic Tarboro. Like they're setting up the town commons for tomorrow. They're doing an event where vendors come out and set up their wares for sale and things like that. Have a little concert. Try to come out and film that, so look forward to that too. School on the left here, it's elementary school. This greenhouse on the right hand side, now it's been painted up and done real pretty now, kind of restored. But I used to live in that house years ago as a teenager. I rented a part of it. It was like an apartment split up into 3. I rented part of it. It was some good times. Good times. These old houses are always a work in progress. Gotta keep them up. Keep them looking good. This church over here, I need to do a video on this church to the left. I can't remember. It's a Episcopal church or something. Built in the 1800s. Anyway, it has a lot of species of trees in this graveyard area. I mean, it's very historic. It's a beautiful church. I think I need to do a video on that just by itself. Another church to the right. Alright. Well, I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned to the next video.